How to change the follow button to add friend button on Facebook profile. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can turn this follow button to add friend button on Facebook profile. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So if this is what your Facebook profile looks like and you just want to change it to something normal, that is add friend, what you need to do is you will first need to head over to your Facebook. Make sure that you're logged in into your account first. After doing that, head over to the menu on the bottom right corner. Then tap on your profile on the top. After you do that, you will see this on your profile. Now the reason why you're getting that follow is due to you being on professional mode. So all you have to do is turn off the professional mode to bring back the add friend button. Now tap on the three dots to do that. And there you should find turn off professional mode after you scroll down. You will see it and tap on it and tap on continue. Then tap on turn off to turn off professional mode. After you turn off professional mode, you can head over to your profile. You can reload it a few times. You can even remove it from your background. So let's open up our Facebook again, head over to our menu and then on our profile. There you can see the profile has gone back to normal. Now let's see if the follow button is now add friend button. There, let me tap on view as, and there we go. It's now back to add friend. And that's all for today's video guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye bye.